Ladies and gentlemen, I thank all of you for your kind presence here today in this conference as we remember the prominent Baloch leader, my grandfather and father of the nation, Shaheed Nawab Akbar Bugti, on his 10th martyrdom anniversary. Today, we, the Baloch people, pay tribute to Shaheed Nawab Akbar Bugti for the struggle and sacrifices he made for the Baloch cause. If the Baloch freedom movement has gained so much attention worldwide, it is because of the struggle and sacrifices of our Baloch martyrs. They laid down their lives so that the upcoming Baloch generations can live their lives in peace, prosperity, and freedom. As you may already know, Balochistan has been under Pakistani occupation from last 70 years, and the Baloch nation has been suffering from a systematic genocide at hands of Pakistani army. Thousands of Baloch youth, children, women, and elders have been killed as a result of straight aggression. Baloch political activists are abducted, killed, and dumped almost on a daily basis. Shaheed Nawab Akbar Bugti laid the foundations of the Baloch movement with his struggle and great sacrifice. Nations are known by their leaders, those who choose to represent them and lead them out from the darkness of suffering to a peaceful and bright future. Shaheed Nawab Akbar Bugti was our elder leader who devoted his life to the betterment of the Baloch future, and the aim of his life was to see the Baloch people as a free and prosperous nation. Shaheed Nawab Akbar Bugti and the sacrifices of the Baloch martyrs have put the Baloch movement in a position where it has become impossible for oppressive Pakistani state to crush it or stop it from reaching its goal of an independent Balochistan, no matter how much force they use. He strived to unite all Baloch organizations into a platform because unity is the most important thing for a freedom movement to succeed. Disunity among the Baloch pro-freedom organizations can only add to the occupying state's designs to keep the Baloch people from freedom. Baloch Republican Party continues to struggle for a united front, all Baloch pro-independence groups, in order to make a united front to effectively struggle for national liberation. Today, it has become the responsibility of every Baloch to play their role in the struggle for freedom of Baloch nation, following the footsteps of our elder leader Shaheed Nawab Akbar Bugti. I would also like to say that the world needs to support an independent Balochistan to bring and maintain peace in the region, which is the need of time. As we see, Pakistan has made another partner in Baloch genocide, China. Their joint evil designs in the region, such as CPEC, to get China access to the warm waters and increase its military presence and influence, is not only a danger alarm for the world, but also to the democratic and peace-loving countries of the world. The so-called China-Pakistan Economic Corridor is a corridor of death and destruction for the Baloch people because it aims to convert them into a minority in their homeland and loot their natural resources. It is being built on the dead bodies of civilians who are being killed on a daily basis for opposing the project. Pakistan has always disturbed peace in the region and the whole world by backing, sponsoring, and supporting terrorism and religious extremism. It is the responsibility of international community and human rights organizations, especially including the UN, to intervene and investigate human rights violations in Balochistan and help stop Baloch genocide, as Baloch people are the natural allies of the civilized world because of their secular and peaceful and peace-loving identity. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi has taken a positive step by raising the Baloch issue, and we hope India will soon announce its formal policy to support the Baloch struggle morally, diplomatically, and by all possible means. We request to all other countries to follow the suit and help the oppressed Baloch people's struggle for equality, justice, and freedom. I would also give a message to the Baloch activists in Balochistan and abroad that we need to continue the struggle for which father of the nation, Shaheed Nawab Akbar Khan Bugti, and thousands sacrificed their precious lives. There is a huge responsibility on our shoulders to strive to realize the dream of Shaheed Nawab Akbar Bugti, the dream he saw for his people, the dream for which he struggled and sacrificed his life, the dream that guarantees a free and bright future for us and our generations to come, the dream of free and independent Baloch homeland. Long live Balochistan. Thank you very much.